Hello, is this thing working? Oh, it's on. Okay. Hello, I am your band teacher. Okay, guys. Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Black, and I am excited. Flute, you're here, and again, another video lesson. I'm pumped for you. We're going to go over a few things to make sure that we're getting a really good sound, troubleshooting any issues that we might have, and then we're going to talk about how we clean and take care of our instruments. So, let's check it out, shall we? So the first thing we're going to talk about today, and lesson number 3, I think is what this lesson is the head joint. This is the power to making your flute sound amazing. Now, I know that we're struggling a little bit with band masks, so I'm going to do this lesson without a band mask so you can hear it, and then I'm going to put my band mask on and tell you how we can problem solve that. So let's start with just the flute. Now, if you're mirroring me, be very careful. The open end goes to the right, not the left, okay? First thing, let's talk about our face. So I'm going to get a little closer to you so you can see it, okay? If you see my lips, I want to make my lips look like this. Okay? Similar to if you ever have like a pop bottle or a soda bottle, if you're trying to blow over to make that sound in the bottle make a sound, that's how we make a really good sound on the flute. So if you have an extra pop bottle at home, maybe a Coke bottle or Sprite, I'm a big Mountain Dew fan personally, that's just me. It's up to you on what you want. But if you have one, try it like that. Try blowing across to see if we can get the air. The next thing we want to do is make that face again, watch. Okay? And we want to try to blow just a little bit at a diagonal, like this. Eventually it will go down. That's what we want when we get into the flute. So now we're going to line up our lip plate. That's what this is called, the head joint. The lip plate's right here. We're going to line this up so that it matches perfectly right in the middle. And I'm going to put that right here. Okay, now you might remember this from our fitting, that when I did this, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to roll it out, but it's still touching your bottom lip. Okay? Your top lip's just a little bit over your bottom. And watch what happens to my mouth. Ready? I'll get a little closer. There we go. I make a really good sound. Watch what happens if I don't use the corners of my mouth. Watch. I can't get any sound. So the trick is to make those corners of your mouth nice and tight to make this face. If you can make this face, roll your bottom lip out, so top lip's over top. You'll make a really good sound. Now, if you can master this sound, you're in great shape. You might start off like this. If you take a big deep breath, use the corners of your mouth, all corners of your mouth, and go really fast air, you'll get a great sound. If you can do that, the next part of this is even more challenging, and if you can do that, you're going to be in great shape with the flute. So if you take your hand, you cover the end, see if you can make this sound. Ready? Whoa. If you can master, you're in really good shape. And flute's the only cool instrument that gets to do something like that. So again, this was without the band mask. Let's do something similar with the band mask now. All right, flute players, so we've talked about troubleshooting some problems and making a good sound. Let's talk about how we clean our instrument. So first off, you're going to want to take your bell cover off here. Put that on my stand so I don't lose it. Most flutes come with a handkerchief or a type of cloth. And a lot of them come with a cleaning rod, is what it's called. It kind of looks like a wand. It's not a wand, although that could be cool if you like, what's it? Wingardium Leviosa. I don't remember. It's one of those things. Harry Potter. Cool. Anyways. Now, if you have your cleaning rod, there's a little end at it. You can put your handkerchief through the end. And then eventually you can plug your entire cleaning cloth with your cleaning rod into your flute. And if you can push it all the way down to where it comes here, you'll just twist that cleaning rod back and forth and pull it all the way out. And that will get rid of any extra condensation that's left in your flute, okay? Other than that, you want to make sure that your case is always closed when you go to walk away so it doesn't fall out, and you'll be in good shape. So let's talk today about the dad joke of the day. Are you ready? Here we go. Why was Darth Vader afraid of the Death Star? You don't know? Okay, I got you. Yoda, find out later! Get it? Because Yoda, it was funny. Not funny. Okay, all right, I'll work on the dad jokes. Hey, challenge this week. If you want a Rancher of the Jolly next week, send me a picture, okay? Today, I want you to try to draw, ready for this? A giant man eating pineapple chasing me. Do your best representation. I'll give extra credit to like colors or maybe like stick figures are fine. But if you want a Rancher of the Jolly next week, send me a picture of your man eating pineapple chasing me. Guys, great job today on the flute. Peace out, sauerkraut. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.